The 2008 financial crisis was a widespread economic downturn that occurred as a result of the collapse of the global financial system. It was triggered by a collapse in the US housing market and widespread defaults on subprime mortgages, which caused a massive contraction in the supply of credit and a corresponding decline in consumer spending and economic activity. The crisis quickly spread to other parts of the global financial system, including investment banks, insurance companies, and other financial institutions, causing a wave of bankruptcies, asset devaluations, and market instability. The crisis resulted in widespread economic hardship, with millions of people losing their homes, jobs, and savings, and had a lasting impact on the global economy, leading to changes in financial regulation and the strengthening of the role of governments in the financial system. Historical background of 2008 financial crisis. The 2008 financial crisis had its roots in a period of strong economic growth and low interest rates in the early 2000s, which fueled housing boom in the United States. During this time, many financial institutions began to make large numbers of subprime mortgage loans to borrowers with weak credit histories, many of whom were unable to make their payments when interest rates rose and the housing market declined. In 2007, the first signs of the crisis emerged as defaults on subprime mortgages began to rise and housing prices started to fall. The crisis accelerated in the fall of 2008 when the investment bank Lehman Brothers filed for bankruptcy, triggering a wave of panic in financial markets and a freeze in the supply of credit. Over the next several months, a number of major financial institutions failed or were forced to merge, leading to a contraction in the money supply and a decline in consumer spending and economic activity. The 2008 financial crisis had far-reaching effects both in the United States and globally. It led to the largest recession since the Great Depression of the 1920s, with millions of people losing their jobs, homes, and savings. The crisis also resulted in a wave of government bailouts and interventions, which many people saw as a failure of free market capitalism and a justification for increased government regulation of the financial sector. The legacy of the 2008 financial crisis continues to shape the global economy today, with many countries still struggling to recover and new regulations and reforms aimed at preventing future financial crises. Overview of the events leading up to the crisis. The events leading up to the 2008 financial crisis were characterized by a period of strong economic growth and low interest rates, which fueled housing boom in the United States. During this time, financial institutions made large numbers of subprime mortgage loans to borrowers with weak credit histories, often using these loans as collateral for other investments. At the same time, there was a rapid increase in the use of financial derivatives, including mortgage-backed securities and credit default swaps, which enabled financial institutions to spread risk and increase profits. However, these securities were highly complex and difficult to value, leading to a buildup of hidden risk in the financial system. In conclusion, the 2008 financial crisis was a major event that had far-reaching consequences for the global economy and the financial sector. The crisis was caused by a combination of factors, including the collapse of the US housing market, widespread defaults on subprime mortgages, and a lack of transparency and regulation in the financial system. The response to the crisis was characterized by a series of government bailouts and interventions aimed at stabilizing the financial system and restoring confidence in the global economy. The aftermath of the crisis was characterized by a period of slow economic recovery and significant changes to the financial system, including increased regulation, changes to the role of governments, and ongoing debates about the best ways to prevent future financial crises. The 2008 financial crisis remains a defining moment in the history of the global economy and continues to shape the financial sector and the way we think about risk and regulation.